So I wanted to spend a couple of minutes just introducing you to actually our very first BOBIs data visualization that we did here at First Line Research. This was our proof of concept. This was using survey data which we captured on a couple of surveys and just taking a few simple variables in that data. So we have the device down here at the bottom that the respondent used to complete, their gender, their relative speed of completion of the survey, their screen resolution, so what was their display running at, and what we can do is, I'll show you quickly how it works in terms of movement. We can click on these buttons and hey presto, the balls move about from one category to another. What's happened here, as you can see from the label here and also our variable names at the top, that the organizing principle has changed. So we're now looking at a gender-based view, yet the colors of the balls still relate to desktop, laptop, tablet and smartphone. We change to speed, we get a different take on the data, and we change to screen resolution and it changes again. Now, just to start, before we look at the balls themselves, you can see already how, in this case, quite expected relationships are forming. So over here on the left hand side, and these very low screen resolutions are all smartphone people, these average ones are laptops, and these very high ones are desktop computers. So let's have a look at a bubble and see how it works. Let's take this bubble here. This is female users who are completing an average speed on a low resolution screen, which happens to be a tablet or an iPad. Let's take the biggest bubble, male, faster, average laptop computer. You can see that the size of that bubble is 55 at the top there, and you can see that the size of this bubble is 37. And then if we pick a smaller bubble, say over here, that's 13. So it's quite a small data set, but you can see how that would be scalable. So in this case, our organizing principle is device, but what you can also do, and indeed we have done on the other example which we show, which is a client delivered version, we have another menu up here in the top left hand corner which enables us to effectively just have more variables, have more axes, and therefore more colors. So instead of the color always being, in this case, the device type, we can change that color view so it represents something else, and we can have the bubbles move across different axes, which will become apparent to you as you have a look at that. Anyway, that's 3 minutes. I think that probably does the job. Good luck. Hope you enjoy it, and do give me a shout, I guess, with any queries on these.